In this video I'm going to show you how to install the Actions and Stuff pack for free on Minecraft. So first go to Marketplace, scroll down to the Marketplace Pass. Now the Marketplace Pass has a free trial for 30 days. And in the Marketplace Pass is automatically added the Actions and Stuff pack. Now you don't see here for me any button with free trial at the moment. This is because I'm on the Nintendo Switch, and on the Nintendo Switch there is no option to try a free trial for the Marketplace Pass. But if you're on your laptop, then you can choose the free trial. Now once you have started the free trial, go back to Marketplace, and then if you don't see here the Actions and Stuff pack, what you can do is here in the search bar type in Actions, select Done, select OK. And then here you can find the Actions and Stuff pack, so select it and then select here Activate Texture Pack. Then go to My Packs, select here the Action and Stuff pack and press on Activate. Now you see the Action and Stuff pack is activated. If we go back now, you see that the game has changed and that the Action and Stuff pack is enabled. So if we select play, we select the world, we go to the edit icon, we scroll down to resource packs, go here to available, and then here at Marketplace you will see the pack of Actions and Stuff. Now I don't have the Marketplace, but I have Actions and Stuff myself. So select it and then press here on Activate it. And now you see here Actions and Stuff is activated. So now when we start up a game, it will be with the Actions and Stuff pack. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. This method only works for the PC, but this way you can test for free if you like the Actions and Stuff pack before you buy it.